In a quaint little village, nestled between rolling hills, lived a kind milkmaid named Mabel. Every morning, she'd rise with the sun, her heart filled with cheer. Mabel had a special pail, a gift from her grandmother. It was not just any pail, but a magical one that could fill with milk all on its own. One fine morning, as Mabel went to the meadow to collect fresh milk, she noticed something strange. Her pail was empty, even though it was usually full by this time. Worried, Mabel walked around the meadow, searching for the source of the problem. She looked under the tall grass, behind the trees, and even checked the stream. In the corner of her eye, Mabel spotted something shimmering. It was a tiny, lost fairy, trapped inside a thorn bush. "Oh, little fairy," said Mabel, her heart filled with kindness. "Let me help you." She carefully freed the fairy, who thanked her with a warm, grateful smile. The fairy, feeling grateful, offered Mabel a wish in return. Mabel thought for a moment and then said, "I wish that my pail could fill itself with milk, so I can help more people in my village." The fairy nodded, and with a wave of her wand, the pail began to fill with the freshest milk. Mabel smiled, knowing she could help more people with this magical gift. From that day on, Mabel became the beloved milkmaid of her village. She'd fill her pail and share the delicious milk with everyone, spreading joy and friendship wherever she went. And every night, as Mabel lay in bed, she'd drift off to sleep, dreaming of the adventures she'd have the next day, all thanks to a magical pail and a kind-hearted fairy. The end.